Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 6000 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for US client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the powder granules material. And for the driving system, we use a Siemens brand motor and hot-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power driving the two-layered ribbons inside the chamber. For the material contact part, we use stainless steel and mirror polish. The middle bottom is a pneumatic control butterfly type discharge valve. This is a cabinet. For the main components, we use the Schneider brand. Okay, let's take a run to see it. We use a fixed type top lid, while also we remain a cleaning window on the top part. Later I will go to the upper part to show it. This is a pneumatic control valve, Siemens brand motor. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. Let's focus on the cabinet panel. This is the inverter panel, voltage meter, ammeter, emergency stop button. For the buttons part, mixer on, stop, speed up, speed down. This is a switch control of the pneumatic discharge valve. First, I raise it and I start it. First, I will give it half speed. Now I make the speed down. Okay, now this is half speed. 17, 13, this is the shaft speed. After set of the speed, the inverter panel will display the shaft speed. Okay. Working stable, no problem. Now I test the max speed. Speed up. There it is. This is the max speed. Okay, we go to the top part to see it. This is a fixed type top lid mentioned, and we remain a material feeding part. Here we can see the shaft rotating. This is a cleaning window I mentioned. Now I open it. Also we equipped a protection net, small protection net on the top, cleaning window. We can see the shaft rotating. Now work stable. What I would like to show is that once we remove the protection net, the mixer will stop. This is safety protection system. It is starting the sensor. I open it little. So what I mean that once the protection net or the cleaning window removed, mixer will stop. This is for the safety consideration. Without any operation on the control cabinet, the mixer stopped. This is the safety protection system. And then I restart it again. Speed down. Now it is work with the speed of 8. I test the emergency stop button. Once pushed, mixer stops. So this is a simple basic test for the 6000 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for US client. If you have any interest, feel free contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.